In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an incoming webhook URL in Slack. Whether you're new to Slack or looking to integrate external applications more seamlessly, this walkthrough will provide you with the knowledge you need to effectively set up incoming webhooks for your Slack channels. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to the Slack API site. This is where all the magic happens, enabling you to build and customize applications to enhance your Slack experience. Our goal here is to create a new app. Once you've arrived at the site, look for the option to create a new app. This process is intuitive, but it's crucial to take your time here, as this forms the foundational basis of your webhook setup. With the app successfully created, it's now time to select it. This part might seem straightforward, but it ensures that all subsequent settings and configurations are applied to the correct app. Now, shift your attention to the sidebar and locate Features. Click on it, and then proceed to the Incoming Webhooks section. This is the core area where we'll be enabling the functionality that allows external applications to communicate with your Slack channel. Next, all you need to do is enable the Incoming Webhooks feature. It's as simple as toggling a switch, yet this small step is what opens up the capability for other services to post messages to your Slack channel via that essential webhook URL. Now, we move on to adding a new webhook. Find the Add New Webhook button and click it. This action prompts you to choose the channel where you want your incoming messages to land. It's a critical decision because this dictates where all future communications via this webhook will be directed. After you decide on the channel that best fits your needs, click Install. This installation process is swift and signals to Slack that you're ready to integrate this new functionality with your chosen channel. Upon installation, the Slack platform will generate a unique URL for you. This URL is the key to allowing external data to flow into your Slack workspace. With this URL in hand, you can now copy it. Whether you jot it down or store it in a safe digital location doesn't matter. You'll need this URL to connect various services to your Slack channel. By using this URL, you'll be able to post messages directly to your selected channel, enhancing how you share information and gather updates. And that's it. You now have the knowledge to create and implement an incoming webhook URL in Slack. This small addition can really streamline your workflow and enhance your productivity. Thanks for tuning in, and happy integrating.